So hey guys, hello there. Once again, welcome back to channel Artwithshagun. Here I am back with a new video. So basically, I guess it would be a surprise for all of you who are watching a videos of mine after a long time, and you will be also surprised if you're my regular viewer. Then you would be like, "Where's our old setup?" So let me clear everything. That you all know that I have launched a new channel that is Study with SMT. You all know very well about that, and you also know that that is a study channel. So I do want to have a background that would suit up for my study as well as my art YouTube. So I got this one done over here. So yeah, this is all the story behind the backgrounds. I do have art, I do have stationaries, all the things arranged in this form. So yeah, and let me clear that what this video is all about. So this is the main thing we had to do. So basically this video was going to be a stationery haul, but unfortunately we all know that it's corona pandemic everywhere. I can't go out of my house to buy anything related to stationery. So I did try to order them from Amazon, but unfortunately in between I just got this news that now their delivery would be getting slowed down, and if it would be possible they would have to cancel our orders, because you know what, there are few of the places where lockdown has been imposed and it could create problem for them for the shipping purpose. So yeah, but luckily I just got a product from them. So this is the product, and basically when I just ordered it, I got it on the second day of the order. So yeah, and that is the reason why it reached to my house later. Than that, all the orders that I did, I have to cancel them up. So when like all the things get cleared, I will definitely share those products and buy them again for you people. So yeah, and today I would be only unboxing this and showing you the review of this. So yeah, and if you want to watch the complete, like the true use of these ones, you can visit to my second channel. I will do provide the link below in the description box. From there you can visit to the second channel as well. And let me show you that what are the things written on the product back, and the price and the manufacturing date. So all those things you can easily just do a stop of the video and read all these things. So let me first of all clear the colors that we do have in this pack. So the colors are here: yellow, pink, blue, green and orange. They are all fluorescent colors, and we get 5 numbers of them. And let me clear one thing, that I already own one of these Faber Castell Textliner, and do you know what, I found it a really great product. After using this only, I decided that I'm gonna buy that one, like a complete pack. So yeah, and I've been using it from a very long time. It's haven't got any damage or anything else to it. The nib is still like the old one, and nothing, the color is not changed, it's not dried yet. So yeah, I'm loving it a lot. I just did this by my own, don't think that is by brand. So yeah, and now I will be showing you the product that actually I got from the Amazon. So here it is. I got this in this stage only, and you all know that Amazon have stopped the packaging of plastic ones because because of the concerns related to environment. So yeah, and I guess I have stocked a lot and you people will be getting bored. So now let's straight jump to the product. So yeah, here it is. Now it's time to open it up, and I would share you the story that how actually I got it. You all know packaging, I just told you that now they are not sending any kind of those packaging plastic one. So I got it with my brother's order. We have 3 orders all together, but the 2 ones were for my brother. So I got this into a pack of cardboard, and then this was all placed like this, no plastic wrap and nothing else. So let me show you the colors that we do get in it. So here are these 5 beautiful colors. I'm going to lie them onto the desk. So yeah, you can just get a clear look to them. So these are the color that we are going to do get inside the product, inside the box. So yeah, and don't forget that if you want to buy this product, I would do provide the link below in the description box. From there you can get this product, and I guess these are all like a perfect product. So if you want to buy them, you can go there. So yeah, and let me show you the packaging and the product, what does it looks like. So this is how it looks. The cap is really good. I do find it a really good product when it comes about the looks and all these things. So yeah, and you can see the colors are really great that we do get inside it. And when I bought the earlier one, as I showed you, I was always concerned that I would get these things erased, because you know what, sometimes branding looks good onto the product other than having this kind of plain one. So yeah, and it just like did the thing that I wanted. It doesn't remove any kind of branding or anything else. I don't like the product that get like their written things get chipped and all those things happens with them. So yeah, and now I will be testing them up onto the paper and showing you how these things work with pencils, with like printed paper, with books, and does they spill onto the next page. So yeah, these are the tests that we are going to do up next. So let's get to the test ahead. Okay, so guys, here is my NCRT class 11th book. This is of geography. So yeah, I'm gonna test all the colors over here and show you that how do they look and does this spill to the next page or not. So here comes the very first one. They say that this is a yellow one, but you can see the color clearly. It's like a complete neon color, and this is how it looks. So yeah, this is the very first one I have used. And then comes about the orange. I was so fascinated to see this because you know what, there are few of the color that I never tried earlier. I guess I have not tried even a single color from this pack rather than that of the yellow, so called yellow, because it's like those neon ones. So yeah, and I guess if you would stop at a place, then you are going to get a lot of like a spill of colors over there. So yeah, and next we get this green color. I love the beautiful green shade because it would pop up on the like complete paper. So yeah, this is a green, and here it goes. It's a poppy color as I thought, and this looks really great onto the paper. It's definitely eye-catching one color. So if you want something that would get highlighted, that is really important for you to study before your exams and those are like your 5 minutes or last minute notes, then you can go with them. And now we will be testing the the blue one. So here we go. Okay, so here we are with the blue one, and I love this color because I haven't used these ones. I do own those lens like the pen one, and they were not so good in quality, I would say, because you know what, those were the cheap one that I was using earlier. I never like focused on these things earlier, but now I do because I do own a study channel. So I have to work on these small things that would make my viewers feel like yes, they are putting in some effort to create their content. So here all the colors, let me give you a closer look to the colors. So here we so yep guys, here are all the color shades that I was talking about, and you can see the swatches have came really beautiful. I love the colors, and now I will be showing you up that whether the color have like spilled to the next page or not, whether they have got soaked to the next page or not. So let me flip up the page and I will be showing you that how does the page looks like when I would turn it up, and what are the things that had happened to the next page, whether it had like passed to the next page. So here is the clear result. I am not going to do any partiality, but yeah, there are few of the blobs that would have come out to this page, the pink from this place and a very bit of orange at this place had came out, and they are the starting point basically. So that is the reason I guess we are getting them up. So it clearly says that we don't have to put excess pressure onto the highlighter while using them, otherwise you are going to get the marks onto the next page. Definitely that's going to happen with you people. I guess you all would be able to catch that pink and a little bit of orange. So yeah, and yeah, this was all about the markers that I just wanted to share with you guys. These Textliner are really great. I just loved using them, and if you want to see their permanent use, you can visit to my second channel. So yeah, this was all about these highlighters. I hope that you all would have enjoyed it. The link is below in the description box to buy this product, and I will also provide you the link for my second channel. So yeah, this was all about today's video, and now we will meet in our next video. Until then, you have to stay tuned with my channel by clicking on that subscribe button. So now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.